Okay, you guys, so welcome to part 2 of this video. This is the install portion. If you want to see how I got this color, I already have it already uploaded on my channel. You can go back and browse. It should be a couple of videos back. So this is my best friend Sade. You guys seen her before. I'm spraying leave-in conditioner on her hair so her hair wouldn't be dry. And then I am putting some oil on her scalp because, you know, I'm pro hair growth over here. And if you wear wigs, there should be no reason why your hair is not growing. So I like to do this, especially to my best friend, because, you know, that's the bestie. So after I put that in there, I do massage it and everything like that into her scalp. And I'm going to go in with my wig cap, okay? So I'm just adjusting the wig cap. I already laid her edges down. I did her sideburns. I'm going to tint the lace with my boho lace tint, and these are the two colors that's closest to her skin tone. Sade has a warm undertone, but this color right here is the perfect match for her, but on the actual lace. And so I've noticed that I needed to mix both of the colors to achieve the color that I needed for her, because like she has a weird color, skin tone color and undertone. So but we always get it right, we get it tight. So I'm mixing, I don't know what color that is. I'll leave it down below in the description box. It might be like light brown or light caramel, something like that. But I'll put it down there. So once I spray it, I'm going to dry it with the blow dryer. And then I am going to look at it while it's on her skin to make sure that it's looking good, or if I need to go in with another layer. Now, lace tint is basically fabric dye, okay? So you need to be careful with that, because fabric dye doesn't just remove off super quick. That's the reason why I like to use makeup. But makeup comes off super warm on Sade. So I have to find a good makeup brand that has a neutral color that doesn't give off a too warm of a color, because you can see her color would be what I'm using on the stocking cap, but it's a little bit too warm for her. So I was looking at it. I was going to leave it like that because it's a closure and I felt like I didn't have to mold it. But then I'm looking at it and I'm like, girl, no, I can't let you walk outside with that demarcation of that closure popping right there behind the hairline. So I said, all right, let's mold it down. So I pulled it forward, sprayed her hairline with some Got To Be, and I let it go ahead and dry down. Once it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the thick layer of the cap off. Girl, I don't know what I was about to say. And once you do that, you're gonna have a seamless stocking cap underneath. You will not be able to tell where it starts or where it ends. It's just that thick band. It's just hard to cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the seams to the closure, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excessive lace to the closure as well. Once everything is completely cut off and it's ready to be adhered, I'm going to use the Boho Active to put her wig down. Sade is a sweater, but I'm gonna use Active for her. So I do 3 layers, okay, and then I also go in with liquid gold to also make sure that her wig doesn't shift back. Once everything is completely dry or clear, I'm going to go ahead and lay the lace down. Now, you need to be accurate when you're doing this because you want to make sure that you're pulling the lace exactly where the glue starts or in front of it, because you don't want to put it too far back, because if you do, her hairline or your hairline is going to get yucky and gucky really quick. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and curl her baby hairs and lay them down with some spritz and a baby edge brush. So let's talk about this hair. This hair, first of all, this lace is HD lace and it's really nice. And I've come to love HD lace, even though it's very finicky because it's very fragile, but it gives you the best outcome and the best look. It just blends into your skin so well. So, you know, I prefer HD lace over anything, but you know, I can make anything blend, you feel me? This hair, it took color really good. I didn't have any problems. It wasn't dry. It did not shed. It didn't do any of those things. And so, but I also did deep condition with silicone mix. So you also want to do that, especially when you bleach hair. You want to make sure you deep condition with silicone mix. Okay, best friends. So at this point, I'm going to just like finalize her hairstyle. Just put everything in place. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hand with some Got to Be Free spray and lay down the flyaways that is at the top of her head. And wait, before I do that, I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner because her part is a little bit too wide, okay, and that's because of me and my bleaching. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it in a little bit, and that just does the job. You could go in and do this with liquid eyeliner powder. You could do this with semi-permanent hair dye. All of that is cool. Just do it, make it look nice, make it look neat, okay? And then here goes the Got to Be. Spray some in my hand, put it on top of her the wig to make everything flat and lay down. And then here's the secret to making your wig look silky and shiny. This is Bio Silk, okay? I take a little bit, like the tiniest amount, and then I'll rub it through her entire wig. And that's when you see the girls on Instagram and they got the shiny flowy wigs. That's what that is, okay? So, and that's about it, you guys. If you guys are interested in this wig, well, the wig before the color, I will leave it down below in the description box for you guys. Again, this hair is from Unice, and yes, she colored really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll be back with another video. Bye, best friends.